Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect RoboForex to MT5 in 2026. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for MT5. When you are able to find the MT5 application, simply tap on the option of install and wait for some time until it is downloading and installing on your device. Now, once this step is done, you need to simply launch your MT5 app. Now tap on the option of this plus icon here on the home page. Now it is going to ask you to find your broker here with the help of this search bar. So you need to simply search for RoboForex. Now when you are able to find RoboForex Limited, simply tap on it. It will ask you to provide your login credentials for your existing account. So in order to get it, simply launch your RoboForex application on your device, or you can also open it in your web browser. So when you log in into your RoboForex account, you just have to get your MT5 login credentials. Most probably you are going to find them in your RoboForex settings. So after getting the MT5 credentials, you need to first of all enter the server. After that, in the right server, simply provide your login ID and your password. So here, once you have done that, tap on the option of login. This way, you will be able to connect your RoboForex account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.